Good afternoon. It's Friday, it's Friday, it's Friday. Hey guys, nope, it's not, it's Monday. Hopefully you guys are going to join me today, so definitely jump on and say hi if you're here. It's kind of strange, I'm usually here to spend a free Friday with you guys, but today it's a Monday. But we're going to kick off your Monday with a fun little project, so hopefully you guys will enjoy it. We're going to get in the mood for St. Patrick's Day because it is on Wednesday. So definitely jump on and say hi. Hopefully you guys are going to join me. We're going to do a fun project. I've got a free printable for you today. Hey Lisa. Lisa's going to join me. Yay, from Oregon. Let's hopefully get a few more people on. Like I said, I'm usually here on Fridays with a free printable, but with the delay in the March Kiwi Club and everything, we decided to switch it up. And I've got a fun St. Patrick's Day project for everybody. So 2 pages of a printable. And hi Angela, hi Pamela. Good, we've got some people jumping on. Hey Lynn. Awesome. Okay, so like I said, it's free Friday, but today it's free Monday. And this project is really fun. I originally did it with the March Kiwi Club templates. But then they got delayed, so not all of you have that yet. So we decided I did some brainstorming and I came up with a different idea using just the regular templates we have. So, hey Ginger, and Johnny, and Lynn. Oh, Lynn's saying hi to Sue. Awesome. Okay, so I made this printable for St. Patrick's Day. How many of you guys celebrate? Do you guys do anything fun for St. Patrick's Day? It's kind of a, it's a big deal. I think it's a big deal, like on the East Coast probably. There's probably lots of St. Patrick's Day events for all the Irish. Is there anything you guys do? Usually we just wear green or something. The kids in school, you got to wear green so you don't get pinched, right? Or I've known kids who wear red just so they can get kissed. Because I guess if you wear red, you get a kiss. And so some people purposely wear red, right? Johnny has corned beef and cabbage. Awesome. That is something I've never had. I've never had corned beef and cabbage. Maybe I should try it sometime. Yes. So, does anyone else eat corned beef and cabbage? It's a very popular thing. I know a lot of people do eat it for St. Patrick's Day, but I personally haven't. Anyway, so I made this printable. It says rainbow seeds, let the shenanigans begin. And on the back, I even put like funny St. Patrick's Day jokes. I can't profess they're funny. They're kind of like Laffy Taffy jokes, right? They're kind of corny, but they're jokes nonetheless. So something to, oh, my internet keeps cutting out. Hopefully this works. You guys there still with me? Oh. Okay, well, hopefully this works because it keeps telling me my video is interrupted. So you guys still there? Okay, so Wendy has Irish soda bread. Wow, that sounds good. Okay, Deborah, we're good now. Okay, I'm sorry if it keeps cutting in and out. Normally I don't have internet trouble, so we'll see how this goes. Okay, so I'm going to show you a finished one, and then we will make one. Okay. So rainbow seeds, let the shenanigans begin. I used the mason jar, but I'm going to show you, you can also use the different tag sets as well. And then I used the heart on Love at Home to cut out 4 green hearts, and I made them into a clover. And I kind of folded them up to pop off there. And on the back, when you fold it up, it has the joke on the back. So awesome. Okay, Denise is still with me in Texas. Sweet. Looks like it's fixed itself. Okay, so let's see. So I made a printable, and there's 2 pages, 3 on each page, because I did allow for the fold up of both sides. So there's 2 pages of those. They're all different. Well, the fronts are all the same, but the backs are different because the jokes are different. So let me, so if you make little St. Patrick's Day treats for your kids, your grandkids, friends at work, just neighbors, this is a fun idea. So what I did is I lined up my mason jar on the printable, and I traced to a certain, I didn't trace the full bottom, so I just went in a little bit, because when you fold it up, it's going to create that rounded bottom. And so I didn't want my pencil to show as well on the bottom. So I just went in a little bit, and then to make sure that it matched up correctly, I flipped it over, so I'm using the back side. I just like took my mason jar, flipped it down, and then lined it up again on that side. So I matched up my marks where I indented a little bit, and I try and eyeball the edges as close as possible right there. And then I continue tracing this one. I guess I should slide up. There we go. Okay, so then you have jar with the fold. The fold will be in the middle. Okay, so let me cut that out real quick. And then I'm going to cut close to the edge over here so that I make sure I leave plenty of room for my other parts. And odds are, you know, when you fold it, it's not going to match up completely, because normally we don't cut identically, probably all the time. So, so if that bothers you, you can, you know, fold it up and then trim any overage that's hanging out anywhere. So if you want it exact, but I'll show you. It doesn't really need to be exact, because you're going to put your rainbow seeds in the middle, which are a little fun size bag of Skittles. So a fun little treat idea for St. Patrick's Day. Or you could, you know, make this into a little card or something. So hopefully the different elements of it inspire you. You know, you could use the hearts to make a little clover on a page or on a card. So there's lots of different things. So then I would take this and just fold it up where it's still connected, and then you have your jar cut out right there. Okay, so this is the mason jar. Yes, thank you, Shirley. The mason jar. This was in a 2018 Kiwi Club, so if you don't have that, that's why I also did some with the tags sets. So they work really well, or really great as well. So you could use tags 2. I also use tags 4. So depending on, you know, what you have and the shape you want, this is the one with tags 2. And this is tags 4. So, no, the mason jar is not from the country set. This mason jar is an a la carte mason jar, so it's bigger. The jars in the country set, I don't think this will this isn't designed to fit in that. So I think the jar in the country set will be too small. So this is the a la carte mason jar from the, now I'm not going to remember. I think it might be September 2018. So it was one of the first Kiwi Club kits. So, you know, some people might not have that. So that's why I did use tags. So if you don't have the a la carte mason jar, go ahead and pull out your tags accessory set. So then like I said, I used the Love at Home a la carte, and I just traced out the heart that's in the middle. I traced out 4 of those. On just a scratch piece of green paper. I'm sure we all have just a scrap of green paper lying around. You could even do, I think it might be fun to do like, you could do like 2 light green and 2 dark green if you wanted, just to add variance, but this is what I had just on hand. And then you just cut those out. So corned beef and cabbage. How do you cook corned beef and cabbage, guys? Do you boil cabbage? I think you boil cabbage, right? And then corned beef. Yeah. I'll have to give it a try. Do you guys have, like, is there a St. Patrick's Day parade? Well, they probably aren't having any kind of that this year anyway. No parades or anything like that. So then I would just ink them. I ink everything, you know, that's a personal preference, but I think ink allows things to, the layers to pop off of each other better, and just gives that final finished look. So, but that is definitely a personal preference. So. Yes, you are correct, Denise. So that is what I'm watching. Watching for very snowy Wyoming. Wow. It is like super nice here, guys. The last few days it's been warm and sunny and spring-like. Oh, I think the flowers are going to start blooming soon. And hopefully it doesn't catch us off guard with a late freeze. But it has been super nice. So I do not envy the snow where you are at in Wyoming. I like snow, but I really love it when the spring comes. So. Oh, Beth, that's cold. 26 degrees. Okay. So then I took my little hearts and I folded them up in half. Okay. Just because I wanted them to kind of stick off my little tag thing. So I folded them up. Oh, let me grab my adhesive. And then, so you'll notice on this one, the one that sticks up is every other one. So I put adhesive down just on one side of my heart. And then, so if I stuck adhesive down on this side, I think I ruined my adhesive this morning. Show them these things, you cannot pull them backwards because then they never work the same ever again. So I'm going to have to get a new one, I think. I think I ruined it. Anyway, we'll just baby it along here for a minute. So I see I put it just on that one side. and then I'm going to stick it down, and then this side is going to stick up. So then when I do my next heart, I'm going to stick it, ugh. It's the worst when your adhesive doesn't work, right? So then I'm going to line it up so you guys can see this. I'm going to line my hearts up kind of, you know, make the points up in the middle and stick that one down. So then this one's up, that one's up, every other one. So I'm sticking the adhesive on the same side of the heart for all of them so that it alternates. Okay. So then with this one again, I'm going to meet the points up in the middle, put the sides of my heart alongside each other, and push that one side down with the adhesive. And then same with this one. Oh, this one kind of sticks off a little bit, but that's okay. Okay, so then you kind of have a 3D effect right there with those hearts to make the little clover. Okay, then I went and I found packages of the little fun size Skittles, and I used my hole punch to make a hole in the top, and I just used a little piece of tape. Let me find it. Just a little piece of Scotch tape. Okay, to secure my Skittles in there because I didn't want them to slide out. So I just put a little piece of tape on the back side, stuck it in there, folded this over, and I thought, so St. Patrick's Day, right? It's always green and you've got the gold. So you could use green pipe cleaner. I thought it might be fun to have the sparkle of pipe cleaner on the top. You could use ribbon. You could use the gold. So I just twisted it up at the top and I just kind of curled it around. You could do whatever you wanted. This one I did green and gold. This one even I bent the pipe cleaner into another little clover. Or you could just use green, or you could use some, twine or any kind of ribbon you had would be fine too. But then when you flip it over, you have a fun joke on the back. How can you spot a jealous shamrock? And then the answer is right there upside down. It will be green with envy. So just kind of corny jokes, but they, any person will get a little laugh out of it as well. So just a fun, easy, simple thing. It's 2 days till St. Patrick's Day. So if you are looking for a cute little treat for someone to brighten their day that day, this would be a great way to do it. So pull out your tags, your a la carte mason jar, and your love at home, and that's all you need. Little pencil, ink, adhesive, really fast and simple. There's nothing better than a little simple gift to show someone you're thinking of them. So just a fun way to enjoy St. Patrick's Day together. So I hope you guys have a great day. Enjoy your Monday. I'm going to add this file to the community and also into the files on the Play to Create group. So I will go do that here in just a second. So definitely check in there to find the printable, and you guys will be all set. Okay, thanks for joining me today. Have a great day. Bye.